A Seminole County judge has now reaffirmed the guilt of a woman convicted in a DUI manslaughter case that killed a toddler.
Shauna Wallace was found guilty by a jury in March, but as West 2's Greg Fox explains, hers is a rare case in which the person convicted will never learn her punishment.
We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of DUI manslaughter.
Shauna Wallace didn't look well when a jury found her guilty in March of driving while impaired by fentanyl and smashing her car into the Zissa family as they were riding bikes in June 2019. 17-month-old Adeline was killed, her father Dane permanently disabled, and mom Shannon severely injured. The trial had been delayed after Wallace fell, and she may have had other medical conditions that ultimately led to her death of natural causes April 13th. Judge Donna Gerner adjudicated Wallace guilty last month, but the defense argued she had no legal standing to do that.
Judge, at this time, we would be moving to vacate the order adjudicating Ms. Wallace guilty.
That argument continued at this hearing, with the state saying a jury verdict has the same legal standing as a formal pronouncement of guilt.
We oppose the motion, and we respectfully ask the court to maintain its order adjudicating Ms. Wallace guilty.
The judge agreed.
I will reaffirm the adjudication of guilt.
Finally, some measure of closure for Shannon Zissa.
This part needs to come to an end, and our focus needs to be on how we help other people get through things like this, because these things happen to people all the time.
Shannon says hopefully the court hearings are finally behind her and her family, and she can now focus on taking care of her husband and running the foundation in her daughter's name. Acts for Adeline provides support for moms who have lost toddlers.
That is where our focus should be, is how do we help people heal? And I will spend the rest of my life honoring Adeline's life by helping other people heal.
In Seminole County, Greg Fox, West 2 News.